Understanding Krugerrands, a historical and investment overview. What are Krugerrands? Krugerrands are 22-karat gold coins that were minted by the Republic of South Africa starting in 1967. The initiative was designed to promote South African gold to international markets and to encourage individual investors to own gold. Over the decades, Krugerrands have become one of the most frequently traded gold coins globally. Legal tender. While Krugerrands have legal tender status in South Africa, they were never assigned a monetary value in South African rand, ZAR. Their worth is primarily based on the prevailing market price of gold at any given time. This unique characteristic allows the price of a Krugerrand to fluctuate as the value of gold changes. Design features. On the obverse side of a Krugerrand, you will find the image of Paul Kruger, the President of the South African Republic from 1883 to 1900. The coin's name is derived from combining Kruger's surname with rand, reflecting the national currency of South Africa. The reverse side showcases a galloping springbok antelope, serving as a national symbol of South Africa. The coins are not purely gold, they are made of 91.67% gold and 8.33% copper alloy, making them more durable and resistant to wear compared to 24-karat gold coins typically used for decorations or medals. Market presence. The Johannesburg Stock Exchange, JSE, facilitates trading in Krugerrands, operating within a regulated environment where prices are quoted based on the weight of the coins. This promotes transparency in pricing and creates an accessible marketplace for investors. Historical context of Krugerrands. When the Krugerrands were first introduced in 1967, restrictions in the U.S. barred citizens from owning gold bullion but allowed ownership of foreign coins, paving the way for Krugerrands to gain a foothold in the American market. However, as global awareness of South Africa's apartheid intensified, interest in the coin waned. Throughout the 1970s and 80s, numerous sanctions were imposed by Western countries against South Africa, including a U.S. ban on Krugerrands in 1985. These sanctions remained until the end of apartheid in 1994. Even after the sanctions ended, many investors in the U.S. remained unaware that they could again acquire Krugerrands. During the 1970s, South Africa was the world's leading gold producer, accounting for more than 75% of global reserves. By 1980, Krugerrands dominated the global gold coin market, making up an astounding 90% of sales. Current status of Krugerrands. The production of Krugerrands experienced a significant decline after the end of apartheid, although there was a minor improvement in South African gold production in the ensuing decades. As of 2016, the country's gold output had decreased by 85% since its peak in 1980, contributing to a mere 6% of the world's gold production. From December 2018 to 2019, South Africa's gold production fell by over 30%, continuing a trend of contractions dating back to the 2007 to 2008 financial crisis. This decline illustrates the ongoing challenges facing the South African gold industry. Investing in Krugerrands. Despite the downturn in South African gold production, Krugerrands remain an attractive investment for many gold enthusiasts. They are particularly appealing due to their value and small size, which make them easy to store. Benefits of investing in Krugerrands. 1. Liquidity. The gold market typically offers high liquidity, allowing investors to buy and sell with relative ease. 2. Tangible asset. Unlike other financial assets, Krugerrands represent a physical form of investment, providing a sense of security in times of economic uncertainty. 3. Historical value. Gold has a long-established track record as a store of value, often considered a hedge against inflation and currency fluctuations. 4. Diversification. Gold holdings usually have a low to negative correlation with other asset classes, allowing for effective portfolio diversification. Purchasing Krugerrands. Interested investors can buy Krugerrands from reputable coin dealers, either in person or online. It's essential to secure them safely and to be aware of potential scams by verifying the credibility of the dealers. Additionally, it's important to consider local tax implications, as some states may impose sales taxes on gold purchases. Composition of Krugerrands. Each Krugerrand weighs 1.09 ounces in total, containing 1 full ounce of gold. The additional weight comes from the copper alloy that adds to the coin's durability. Conclusion. Krugerrands have established themselves as iconic gold coins, reflecting a rich history intertwined with South Africa's economic and political landscape. They remain a cornerstone for many investors looking to enhance their portfolios with tangible assets. Given their historical relevance, unique design, and the emotional allure of gold, Krugerrands will likely continue to attract interest from both seasoned investors and newcomers alike.